Okay, so we got these flu and COVID combo home tests that they sent to us so we could show it to you, and we're actually going to run one now. You can see there's little holes in the back here so that we can just tuck the little tube in there, and then you got the tubes, and you got a couple of these there's the swabs there, and then these little test things there, and then there's an interpretation card, and there was actually 2 of all this stuff, but I left some of it in the box because I only need 1 set right now. So we're going to give that a go, but it's got all the instructions here, so you can see, oh, you got this, you got this, you got, here's how you do the swab, which we've done the swab a number of times, so we know how to do that, and then you know, put the swab in here and do this and run the test and do all that. So we're going to do that here. I'm going to get things out and ready, and we'll go from there. Okay, we inserted the swab into the nose, and we did all that kind of dancing around, and then we swished it around in the little tube there, and then I pulled the little test strip out, and the little test strip is down there in the solution now, and we got to wait 10 minutes and see what the answer says. Okay, what we're going to do to read this here in a few minutes is you're going to set the little strip down here, and then you're going to have these lines you're going to look at here to see if you have any of those things there just based on that. The control line, and then there's the COVID and the flu A and the flu B, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this little strip here after it's done its little thing and then see what it has to say for itself. But yeah, we'll just check it out here in a minute. Okay, so it's been just over 10 minutes now. And you can see we're just going to pull this out of here and put it on the little sheet right here next to that. Okay, we got our little testy thing there, and you can see we have a control line, but we don't have even the faintest little line of COVID or A or B, so I am unconcerned. Yay! Good deal. But thanks for sending that to us. That's very helpful. I like being able to have spare home tests. Every once in a while you need one, so yeah, this is really a good little setup here. Pretty simple to use, and you can see you just read the little lines right there. All you do is set this right there where that is, and see you line those lines up there, and ta-da! So good stuff. Thanks for sending that to us.